In today's video, I will walk you through how to get a security token in Salesforce. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Salesforce and move to your profile section inside the platform. You can access this from the main Salesforce dashboard after signing into your account through the official Salesforce website. Once you are inside your account, locate your profile area and continue by selecting Settings. After the Settings page opens, take a moment to review the options displayed on the screen. Inside this section, Salesforce provides access to different account and profile settings connected to your user account. Continue scrolling through the available options until you locate the setting called Reset My Security Token. Once you find the Reset My Security Token option, select it to continue. Salesforce will then open the page connected to the security token reset process. Wait a few moments for the page to finish loading before moving to the next step. After the page appears, you will see the Reset Security Token button displayed on the screen. Continue by selecting this button to begin the reset process for your Salesforce Security Token. Once the button is selected, Salesforce will begin processing the request connected to your account. During this process, the platform will prepare a verification email containing the updated security token information. Depending on your connection and account response time, this may take a few moments to complete. After the request has been processed successfully, move to the email account connected to your Salesforce profile. Open your inbox and continue by checking for the new email sent by Salesforce. The message will contain confirmation that a new security login token has been generated for your account. When the email appears, open it and review the details shown inside the message carefully. Salesforce will confirm that the updated security token has been created and sent successfully. Continue checking the email to confirm that the token information was delivered correctly. If the email does not appear immediately, wait a few moments and refresh your inbox while Salesforce finishes processing the request. Some accounts may take slightly longer depending on system response time. The process includes opening your profile settings, locating the Reset My Security Token option, selecting the Reset Security Token button, waiting for Salesforce to process the request, and reviewing the confirmation email containing the updated token information. Once the confirmation email arrives and the new security token has been sent successfully, the process for getting a security token in Salesforce will be completed. Thank you for watching.